This is my big, this is the one reason why I'm up in arms against, not necessarily against monetary policy. I've got nothing against those individuals, but I just think they need some help. Because there are today in South Africa exactly as many people that cannot find a job as there are people with a formal sector job. This is a time bomb, and it can be diffused by a simple change to the composition of the Monetary Policy Committee.
Just talk us through this slide as well, and the line and the bar graphs.
If you take it from 2015, we had a much more less restrictive monetary policy, so unemployment increased, mainly as a result, and I think Gina would agree with me, and Zwanele, that state capture started biting us really hard under the previous president, Mr. Zuma. But at least formal sector jobs kept on growing. Then came the crash, the COVID crash. That's the COVID V, I call it. I mean, we've used so many slides, economists, the last couple of years where you show this V and the recovery. And I actually just take that out of my analysis because it's just crazy. Okay, so what happened after that? Initially, we had the lower rates immediately after the COVID crash. So formal jobs started creeping up. Unemployment declined, fantastic stuff. And then things went higher. Yeah. Then they just kept on increasing the rate and increasing the rate until it was 160% higher than it was in John Marx's period. So all I'm trying to say, this wasn't necessary.